In Website Builder, you embed your audio tracks or playlists on your web pages. To do this, you must first upload your audio to the online music sharing site SoundCloud. I'm Darlene, and I'll introduce you to the SoundCloud platform and share what you'll need to know to embed your audio track or playlist in Website Builder. When you embed a track or playlist from SoundCloud, their player displays in the audio section on your web page. The player displays your SoundCloud username, the title of the playlist, and the title of the tracks in the playlist. If you selected an image for your tracks, they'll also display here. These player options are set up in the SoundCloud platform. To upload and share audio or music on SoundCloud, you must first create an account with them. SoundCloud's account creation and upload process are covered in detail on their site, so I'll leave that up to them. We're going to start on the playlist screen in SoundCloud, so I can show you a few of the player options you can edit and what you'll need to embed your audio in Website Builder. First, click on the playlist you want to embed from SoundCloud. On the playlist details screen, click the Share icon. Now select the Embed tab. If the track or playlist you selected only has a share option and no embed option, you will not be able to embed the SoundCloud player in your Website Builder audio section. In this case, you'll need to find another track or playlist to use, or you can provide a text-based hyperlink to SoundCloud on your site, so that visitors can listen on the SoundCloud platform. Besides the embed code, this tab offers a few player display settings you can edit. You can choose from one of two layouts for your player, and you can adjust the colors on your player. Kinda cool if you wanted to match the theme on your website. You can also adjust the height of the player. While you have the option to autoplay tunes, think twice about that. Most folks prefer to have the option to listen or not. Most important step. Click in this field and copy the embed code for your pre-loaded SoundCloud player. You'll paste this in the audio section on your webpage. That's a little bit about the SoundCloud platform and what you'll need to embed an audio track or playlist in Website Builder. I'm Darlene, thanks for watching.